So my name is Chiran Singh. I joined Megatron in 2022. I learned career course in animation. So I learned After Effects, animation, digital matte painting, and graphic designing throughout the course.
Okay, tell me about your career path and how you come to know join Megatron Multimedia.
So my career path has always been like in art. I was always been interested in art, like how things work in art, what is the background of art. So I joined this course out of pure interest in back in 2022 when I was in 8th grade at the age of 13. So throughout the journey, I have experienced quite a lot new things, how things work, how people work, how to connect with everyone, how to use art in real life, how to depict art. So this journey has quite been like a very high expected, like I was quite amazed by what I have learned throughout this journey.
Okay, that's amazing. Okay, let us know what are some of the most valuable skills and knowledge you have gained during your time at Megatron.
So the most valuable thing I have learned is how to how to balance things, what to use, how to shape. So first I used to think that you just write your thoughts, like you just draw your thoughts, you just depict them. But in Megatron, I got to know the way to depict your art. That was the most valuable thing for me. I have learned many skill sets. I've learned editing, animation, graphic designing. These things may or may not come in use, but these things teach me a great skill on how to use them in a situation where, like, I've never been through, or I can use my excellence to draw that situation in a perfect way.
Okay, that's really amazing. Okay, let us know what are some of the challenges you have faced at Megatron and how have you overcome them?
So the main challenge for me was being consistent, like managing school and this. But through Megatron's flexibility, I was able to attend school and attend lectures. Even if I missed some lectures, the teachers used to teach me separately, and Megatron always had a flexibility throughout this course. So it was really easy for me, and this was the main reason I was completely sustained throughout this journey.
Okay. Okay. What are some of the most memorable project or experience you have had at Megatron?
So the most memorable project was to make your own video, edit it, and make a ad out of it. All sort of After Effects. What I've learned in After Effects was my most memorable thing. What I've learned, like editing, making ads, using some of the tools which I have never thought people use them. That was the most memorable part for me.
Okay. Let us know what advice would you give to someone who is considering joining Megatron Multimedia?
So my advice would be consistent, because without being consistent it's really hard to learn. So for me it was flexible, but you shouldn't approach this way. You should be consistent, you should be dedicated to what you're doing.
Okay. What guidance would you give to other students who are interested in pursuing a career in multimedia?
I would use, like, stay updated, use AI in your art. Don't completely be dependent on AI, but integrate AI in your art. Use your own creative methods and learn new things. Keep learning new things and keep be updated with the current trends.
What advice would you like to give someone new to the field of multimedia who is considering joining Megatron?
They should definitely join Megatron, as Megatron provides you a one is to one connection. The teachers will support you throughout the journey. The course is planned according to your pace. And the key advice would be open, ask questions, never feel back that you are backing down if you have missed some lectures. Please ask question to your teachers and learn new things.